Hello friends, welcome to Design Tour. In this video, we're going to explore some of the best modern buildings in the world. This video is being prepared in multiple parts, so make sure to subscribe to the channel to watch our upcoming videos as well. Number 1. Empire State Building, New York City, United States. This renewed building has become an icon of New York City and modern architecture. Designed by the architectural firm Sharif, Lamb and Harman and completed in the 1930s, the Empire State Building stands as one of the world's tallest structures and is considered a significant example of modern architecture in its time. The Empire State Building is one of the most prominent skyscrapers globally located in New York City, United States. With its famous and iconic form, it is a major work of modern architecture and a significant achievement in architectural history. Designed by the architectural firm Shreve, Lamb and Harman and developed by real estate developer John Jacob Roscoe in 1930s, the Empire State Building was constructed. It held the title of the world's tallest building from 1931 to 1970. The Empire State Building stands at an approximate height of 381 meters and is visible from all around New York City. Its design follows the Art Deco style, which was highly popular during its design and construction period. Empire State Building has transformed into an emblem of New York City and is recognized as a significant tourist destination. The upper floors, offering panoramic views of New York City, has been converted into an exhibition and tourist center. Observing the cityscape and Hudson River from this building provides a unique and unforgettable experience. The Empire State Building has become eternally etched in people's mind as the setting for many famous scenes, including the climactic ending of the 1933 film King Kong. Moreover, in literature, it's described as a symbol of beauty and elevation. Number 2. Guggenheim Museum, Bilbao, Spain. This museum, designed by Frank Gehry, is a prime example of postmodern architecture, particularly renowned for its deconstructivist style. Its unconventional form and harmonious integration with the surrounding environment has transformed into a work of art and turned the city of Bilbao into a prominent tourist destination. The Guggenheim Museum Bilbao, located in Bilbao, Spain, is a masterpiece of postmodern architecture and a contemporary symbol of art and culture. Designed by the renowned architect Frank Gehry, it is recognized as a notable exemplar of constructivist architecture. The design of the Guggenheim Museum Bilbao showcases curved lines, flat and sloping surfaces, and unconventional details. This design has resulted in an outstanding architectural artwork and a symbol of creativity and innovation in modern architecture. The geometric shape of the Guggenheim Museum is truly unconventional. Frank Gehry employed a combination of curved lines, flat surfaces, and three-dimensional forms to create a dynamic and captivating building. An essential aspect of the museum design is its interaction with the surrounding environment and the created vista. The curved forms of the building harmonize with the architectural landscape around it, creating an architectural theater within the neighborhood. The Guggenheim Museum serves as an artistic and cultural hub, displaying contemporary artworks and hosting various cultural programs. Diverse art collection and a wide range of cultural events takes place within this museum. Number 3. Sydney Opera House, Sydney, Australia. This incredibly renewed building was designed by the renewed Danish architect George Otson and is globally recognized as a symbol of the city of Sydney in Australia. Its unique form, a blend of curved and geometric lines, has transformed it into a modern artistic masterpiece. The Sydney Opera House boasts a distinctive design characterized by its curved forms that allude to the capacity of theaters and musical performances. It stands as an exceptional artistic achievement in modern architecture. The curvilinear and sculptural forms resemble billowing sails, enhancing the beauty and allure of the structure. Situated along the coastline and in close proximity to water, the geographical location of the Sydney Opera House enables it to interact harmoniously with its natural surroundings. Its design is orchestrated to play with light and interplay with the sea, adding to its aesthetic appeal. Recognized as a cultural and artistic hub in Australia, the Sydney Opera House hosts various musical performances, theatre productions, and diverse cultural ceremonies. This building plays a significant role in promoting the arts and culture in Australia. The Sydney Opera House is celebrated as one of Australia's national symbols, representing the city of Sydney and the country as a sophisticated and artistic nation. It projects an image of advancement and cultural richness. Number 4. Burj Khalifa, Dubai, United Arab Emirates. With its record-breaking height, the Burj Khalifa has challenged the notion of modern skyscrapers. Its uniquely stunning and technically impressive design has elevated it to a significant example of modern architecture in our era. This iconic tower stands as a symbol of Dubai progress and grandeur, as well as the representation of the vibrant economy of the United Arab Emirates. The Burj Khalifa, standing at an approximate height of 828 meters from the ground to its tip, holds the distinction of being the world's tallest building. This extraordinary height serves as a symbol of Dubai's economic tower and greatness within the United Arab Emirates. The design of the Burj Khalifa, characterized by its curvilinear and sloping form resembling a spire, imparts a beautiful appearance and unparalleled allure. This unique design ensures that the tower is a stunning sight from every angle. The construction of the Burj Khalifa utilized cutting-edge technology and innovative materials. The building incorporates complex systems including advanced air conditioning, intelligent lighting, and management systems. Beyond its exceptional architectural design, the Burj Khalifa houses exhibitions, recreational centers, luxury hotels, and apartments. These facilities have positioned the tower as a significant commercial and leisure hub in Dubai. The illumination and lighting effects of the Burj Khalifa during the nighttime transform it into a captivating and mesmerizing spectacle. Various lighting displays at different times of the night creates a visually stunning effect. The Burj Khalifa did not represent Dubai but also stands as a symbol of the UAE's commitment to progress, development, and international prominence. We hope this video has been informative and engaging for you. Support our channel by liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching, friends.